Prime Minister of the country goes to work on his bike.
तो ये हम आ गए हैं ट्यूलिप बान।
This is truffle. This is cheddar. This is truffle. Hi, hello, welcome back to a new vlog from Amsterdam. This is the third vlog, and if you guys have not seen last two vlog, which is day trip to Zanzibar Khan and Zandam and another day trip to Giethoorn and a little bit of Amsterdam, so go please check it out now and let's start this one. So it's our day 3 in Amsterdam, and hello again. Yesterday was not a really good day for me because in Giethoorn village, after we were done with our boat ride, my drone crashed. It sank in the water, in the canal. और उसके बाद मुझे बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आया what to do because it was like really traumatic for me. I had all my data. It had like card of 512 GB. It had a lot of data, not only with the drone shots but also like other GoPro, YouTube, Instagram data. And yeah, I mean, we did try to find it in the water. The flow was not that heavy. मतलब we couldn't understand कि हुआ क्या है. Sachin, I was not there. मैं थोड़ा इधर photos and all कर रही थी. And then Sachin told कि पानी में गिर गया. And then there were जिनके घर के पास गिरा था, मतलब canal, because if you have seen in the video, canal के both side you have houses, right? So the uncle, he came with all his aujars and gadgets to help us pull, or if there is something, we did try to do that, but we couldn't find it. So yeah, yesterday night was Shraddha's birthday eve. I wanted to step out because we came here to celebrate her birthday. So हम आए, बाहर गए. We had very less time to enjoy. We reached Central somewhere around 2 o'clock and everything closes by 4:05. But we had fun. We came back home at 5 o'clock and now I'm all set, leaving at 10:30. We're going to Amsterdam first and then we're going to go for the canal ride. After that, I'm gonna try some yummy waffles and उसके बाद जाएंगे हम Tulip Gardens, but no, it is not Keukenhof. I am going on a collaboration with Tulip Barn Holland. They also have like huge tulip farm and they do like cute things जहाँ पे chairs है, and they also have, I think, the mirror, and there's a windmill also, cute windmill. So we're gonna go there as well. So let's start today's day. In my last vlog, I showed you guys that we hired a car in Amsterdam to go to the Giethoorn village and also today to the tulip farms. And parking in the city is very expensive. So we are paying like €7 per hour for the parking in the central Amsterdam.
Morning coffee before the boat tour. Canal tour in Amsterdam. सुबह खाली है संडे, गलियाँ काफ़ी ओपन. धूप निकली है बट ठंड काफ़ी है ना.
I think it's Sunday, that is why.
क्या? और मैं फ़ोन गिरा चुका हूँ अपना.
There are 3-4 points from where you can book canal cruises. The very popular point is right outside the central station, Amsterdam Central Station, which is दामरक वाले एरिया में जहाँ पे सारे बोट्स लगे हुए रहते हैं, क्रूजेस लगे हुए रहते हैं. बट वी बुक्ड आवर्स फ्रॉम एन फ्रैंक्स हाउस क्योंकि हमको लोकेशन वाइज वो ज़्यादा बेटर पड़ रहा था एंड क्लोज पड़ रहा था, एंड ऑल्सो फॉर द पार्किंग बिकॉज गेटिंग पार्किंग इन द सेंट्रल एम्स्टरडैम इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. एक्सपेंसिव तो है ही, लाइक €7 पर आवर इज़ एक्सपेंसिव, बट आपको मिलती भी नहीं है. लकीली वी केम अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग लाइक 10:30 एंड ऑल्सो इट्स अ संडे, सो वी वर लकी टू फिगर आउट द पार्किंग एंड वी गॉट स्पेस. बट या मतलब एन फ्रैंक हाउस से जो क्रूजेस चलती है वो अलग पाथ पे है थोड़ा बहुत स्लाइटली. सो देर आर डिफरेंट पाथ्स विच यू कैन चूज़, और जो आपको डामरक से मिलेगी वहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे पाथ्स होते हैं. Ours is like internal Amsterdam canal tours, which will also show us the incredible 7 canals वाला जो एक view है वो भी. And it's a shared boat. We paid €18 per person क्योंकि ये group वाली है. The boat guide or boat driver will give you all the informations about Amsterdam, उसकी हिस्ट्री के बारे में, या हम कुछ एक फेमस अगर कोई टूरिस्टी पॉइंट या हिस्टोरिक पॉइंट्स अगर हम पास कर रहे हैं तो दे विल गिव यू ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन. दे विल बेसिकली गिव यू अ गाइडेड टूर थ्रू canals. And so this is a group booking, but you can also book your private क्रूजेज़, प्राइवेट बोट्स, और बहुत सारे ऐसे सेल्फ वाले भी बोट्स होते हैं जहाँ कि आप वो बोट हायर कर लो, जैसे कि हम कार हायर करते हैं. एंड देन यू कैन डू यू कैन राइड दोज बोट्स ऑन योर ओन एंड आप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो कनाल्स. उसके भी कुछ आवरली रेट्स होते हैं और या तो फिर वो डे के हिसाब से होता है. सो एज यू कैन सी एंड Amsterdam में सिर्फ कनाल्स ही कनाल्स हैं एंड ये क्यूट ब्रिजेस हैं. दिस इज़ वॉट मेक्स Amsterdam one of the most prettiest towns in Europe. And I love these canals and these bridges, cute little bridges. और हर bridges में you get a cute little cycle. जैसे यहाँ पे नहीं है, but most of the bridges will have cycle because cycles and Amsterdam, I mean Dutch, is very connected. Very.
Prime Minister of the country goes to work on his bike. Like if you go to other countries, like in Africa, for example, like all the dictators, they like 3 limousines and you don't know which one that he's actually in.
Close. So mostly people use cycles, Dutch cycles, for their commutation. They like it. I have shown that in my vlog 1. So if you want to know more about it, please go check out vlog 1, vlog 2. The link is in my description box. These are the canal boats. So बहुत सारे लोग इसमें भी रहते हैं. They have their own or they rent it out. You can also rent it out. You can also stay here instead of staying in a hotel.
They have to walk back to the station.
Right there, if you can see the red windows जो खुले हुए हैं, that is the smallest hotel in the world. वो जितना दिख रहा है वो उतना ही होटल है and it is just like that.
So my friends, even if we were like underneath one of these houses smoking, we were looking up, what is those people up? They don't line up. Also, every time I pass on this bridge, I like to run this back. Very dirty, full of spiderwebs.
You can also hire these and do a self boating in this canal. Now we are going to enter and pass a bridge जहाँ से आपको पूरे 7 ब्रिजेस इन लाइन में दिखती हैं, विच इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर स्पॉट. जस्ट इससे निकल के जो हम लेफ़्ट देखेंगे, बट वहाँ पे रुक नहीं सकते बिकॉज दैट इज़ वेरी टूरिस्टी, वेरी फोटोजेनिक एंड ट्रैफिक लग जाते हैं बोट्स के. सो वी विल जस्ट पास बाय दैट एंड आई होप यू गेट टू सी दैट, क्योंकि मैंने अपने फ़ोन में तो डेफिनेटली कैप्चर किया है. सो दिस साइड, लेफ्ट साइड इफ यू सी, तो स्ट्रेट में आपको 7 ब्रिजेस दिखेंगे straight away and that is very photogenic and very popular. After a beautiful and amazing canal ride, we came to eat the most famous Fable fries in Amsterdam. मतलब Fable fries are very popular. बहुत लंबी क्यू लगती है, तो of course Sachin has gone to queue up. लाइन बहुत बड़ी है. उसके बाजू में ही there is one cookie shop which is very popular. So yeah, I'm like really excited to eat the Fable fries, especially the truffle fries. अब यहाँ से queue start हुई है, but then there's a road का break and then पीछे if you see the queue continues. Regular fries are for 3.95 euros, but if you want toppings like we are taking the famous truffle fries and also the cheddar fries, उसके लिए it's 1.50 euro extra. And we came this side at the side of the canal to enjoy our fries. This is truffle. This is cheddar. This is truffle.
Yeah.
You like it? उससे तो अच्छा ही है.
I like that.
Right next to Fable Fries, you will see this cookie shop जहाँ के cookies are very popular. So we are gonna go inside and buy some cookies as well. क्योंकि मैं जब भी कहीं new country जाती हूँ, I love to try their speciality. Look at these cookies. And also guys, this smells incredible. Now we are off to our next eating spot, which is again a very popular and one of the oldest waffle shop that serves basically stroop waffles. काफ़ी famous है. Everyone who comes to Netherlands, I mean Amsterdam, they have it, and we are also going to have it. So this is near the church, which is also very close to the flower market. How beautiful now the church and all the buildings canal ke side mein. It's very pretty. So this is basically the high street where you will see all the designer high-end boutiques and luxury designer shops. और इधर ही आगे जाते 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 हम मिलेंगे स्ट्रूप वॉफल से, जो कि हम खाएंगे मज़े से. So here we are. So this is the Van Wonderen Stroop Waffles. Stroop waffles बहुत सारी जगह मिलते हैं, but this place is very popular and one of the oldest in Amsterdam serving stroop waffles.
दोनों से बनाना है.
Two waffles for 23 euros. बहुत expensive है ना?
हाँ.
And that too I took the smallest size.
Yes. How's it? You want to try the other one? Try
It's
now.
not that जितना expect कर रही हो. अच्छा.
Try करो. How is it? Which one is better?
This is Oreo biscuit and this is some lotus biscuit. I like this one.
Okay.
मीठा नहीं ना ज़्यादा, मतलब मीठा है बट मुझे लगा था देख के जहर मीठा होगा, विच यू के नॉट जनरली यूरोपियन डिशेज डेजर्ट्स बहुत मीठे होते हैं. दिस इज़ नॉट दैट स्वीट. हैव दिस एंड डिसाइड विच वन यू लाइक मोर. There is a more of Amsterdam in my vlog 1 and a little bit in vlog 2 where I have shown you guys the canal cycles and also the evening view of Damrak and central Amsterdam station. So please make sure आप vlog 1 देखो to make this part complete अगर नहीं देखा है. And now we are off to the most exciting part of my trip. This is basically also a work trip along with Shraddha's birthday. So I am like very excited क्योंकि मैं हमेशा से Tulip Gardens visit करना चाहती थी in Amsterdam and for some reason I was not able to come here during tulip season, but then here I am. This is a paid work for me. I am working with Tulip Barn Fields, which is one of the biggest producers of tulip farms. वैसे Keukenhof is the biggest tulip garden, but then Keukenhof is very crowded. यहाँ पे भी अभी क्योंकि tulip season में पूरा Amsterdam में जितने भी farms and gardens होते हैं वो crowded होते हैं, but यहाँ पे भी you have to buy tickets, which is like not much. It's 5 to 10 euros per person. And it's a family owned farm, tulip farm, and I'm really excited क्योंकि ये मेरा काम भी है and I'm visiting this for my work and also surprising Shraddha क्योंकि उसके लिए भी मैंने एक cute सा little सा surprise plan किया है यहाँ पे. It's a very huge tulip fields. वहाँ पे बहुत colourful tulips हैं. एक लाइन पे सिर्फ colours हैं, एक साइड पे mix है. You also have the restaurant where you can order food, eat, drink, and also buy flowers. They have coffee, they have normal drinks. So you can come here and spend your entire day in the tulip farms and yeah, just soak in all the tulip vibes, I guess, because I am really loving it. इधर वाले फूल इधर वाले ब्लूम हो गए हैं सचिन मोस्टली. स्विंग पे करते हैं ना, स्विंग पे। बेब लाल वाला देखो यार,
बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है लाल।
और एक गर्ल्स की भी लेनी है।
मेरी नहीं हुई।
हाँ हमारी नहीं हुई है। अरे हाँ मेरे को भी आया।
क्या? ओह देख कितना अच्छा है। See, this is brilliant. If we go inside the roses, we look like roses.
ये देखो देखो मुझे सब बॉयज ने कपड़े पकड़ा दिए। मैं जैकेट्स, आई एम द जैकेट होल्डर फॉर टुडे
आई एम वेयरिंग द जैकेट।
एंड आई एम होल्डिंग ऑल द जैकेट्स।
ओके,
हम लोग तैयार होके आए हैं लड़कों की फोटोज खींचने के लिए।
एक्चुअली उनकी ज्यादा फोटो खिंचा रही है ना अभी। दे आर टेकिंग मोर टाइम। द क्राउड।
Shelby, what do you want? I don't think you have enough picture yet.
No, I don't have my in the
In the zone of picture mode.
in
You
the
are.
Wait, go back, go back, go back. Come again now. Come. Now do something with.
After spending a beautiful time in Tulip Farms and also हमने श्रद्धा का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया वहाँ with the champagnes and gifted flowers and all, that was which I gave her a little surprise from my end. And then we came back to the Amsterdam Central to explore the nightlife of Amsterdam. Now we are boarding a ferry to go to the Amsterdam Central, which is just opposite the Amsterdam Central Station. So हमने अपनी जो कार पार्क की है वो Amsterdam Central Station जो है उसमें जो रिवर है उसके दूसरे साइड पार्क की है, because that's a free parking. And also आप वहाँ से जब फेरी बोर्ड करते हो to come to the Amsterdam side, Central Station side, it's free of cost. So basically we are not paying anything for the parking and for the ferry. हाँ रात को ही ferry बंद हो जाएगी 11 बजे, so when we come we have to take the Uber and go to our parking space and then take our cars. But still it is like saving a lot of money, because in the morning we paid around 7 euros per hour, which will be very expensive. और हमारे अभी 2 कार थे तो हमने सोचा कि why not to use this hack. Amsterdam is popular for a lot of things, but one of the thing is also marijuana. गांजा लीगल है एम्स्टरडैम में, एंड नॉर्मली अगर आप कॉफ़ी शॉप जाते हो या देखते हो तो उसका मतलब होता है यू गेट कॉफ़ी, बट हियर इन एम्स्टरडैम व्हेन एवर इट्स अ कॉफ़ी शॉप उसका मतलब ये है कि आपको वहाँ पे गांजा मिलेगा या marijuana मिलेगा, कैनबीज मिलेंगी. सो मेक श्योर अगर आप कॉफ़ी शॉप देखो इट्स अ marijuana शॉप, एंड नॉर्मल कॉफ़ी अगर आपको पीनी है दैट यू गेट इन अ कैफ़े. What are you saying?
Amsterdam is so cool.
And for her as well, she helped us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Do we slam that cake in your face? Huh?
We'll need one more knife here. How will you cut
No,
it?
no, I'll just like do this. Silly.
Yeah.
Have direct.
Make her eat from the phone. From the. What is it? Straw. Straw.
Like it.
Happy birthday to you. Actually, it's good. It's good.
No, but the
Small portion.
How did you feel after eating vegan food today? How was your experience?
It's good. It's good. I can try one more time.
When? Take a date. or make him write on a stamp paper.
When non-vegetarian restaurants are dead, then the day yeah.
What was your favorite out of 3 dishes?
That is the only possible. I liked the second one. What is that?
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Yeah.
Because it felt like you were having chicken lollipop.
That's better. Like
Chicken lollipop is better.
Chicken lollipop is the best.
so cake khilao na. Focus is here.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Let's focus on my interview. Food interview.
Off to the next very popular stuff in Amsterdam, which is red light district. यहाँ पे shoot करना मना है, so I'm just taking a little bit of snippets. I can't show you पूरा. So this is a very popular red light district. It only opens in the evening and late night तक चलती है. So basically you can just pay and have sex there, and also there are a lot of theaters जहाँ पे live sex show होता है. Which people go for, like pay for like 40-45 euros and then enjoy the live sex. Really had a fun night in Amsterdam. हमने parties की, 2 clubs में गए, उसके बाद हमने भी एक sex show देखा, because वो एक experience लेना था कि कैसा होता है अंदर जाके. मतलब अगर आप Amsterdam आओ तो देखो, मतलब देखो कि कैसी लाइफ है वो. एंड देन वी केम बैक टू निमिशाज हाउस अराउंड 3 o'clock, और आधे घंटे के लिए सो के हम 3:30 रेडी होके 4 o'clock वी रीच्ड एयरपोर्ट. Day 2 के ब्लॉग में आई शोड यू गाइज दैट वी हायर्ड अ कार फ्रॉम यूरोप कार फ्रॉम द एयरपोर्ट, रेंटल कार जो थी. तो यहाँ पे हमको कीज़ ड्रॉप करनी थी. अगर ये बंद रहता है, आपको बस उनको एक टाइम देना है कि आप किस टाइम पे ड्रॉप करोगे. एंड बेसिकली वहाँ पे ये ऑलरेडी ऐसे डेस्क लगा के रखते हैं जहाँ यू कैन जस्ट ड्रॉप द कीज़. आप बस कीज़ ड्रॉप कर दो. अगर उसके बाद वो जब कार ही चेक करेंगे, कुछ उनको प्रॉब्लम आएगी, स्क्रैचेस एंड ऑल, तो वो आपको वो मेल करेंगे उसकी रिसीट. बट इट्स वेरी ईजी. ड्रॉप द कीज़ हियर.
गाड़ी संख्या 5353F की हम डाल रहे हैं इसमें. ओके सॉरी.
Guys, very important tip, if you are coming to Amsterdam airport, you have to literally keep like 40 to 45 minutes, पौने घंटा आपको रखना पड़ेगा to walk after you get your boarding passes, क्योंकि Amsterdam airport is huge, बहुत बड़ा है, बट उनके टर्मिनल्स एक ही है. सो आफ्टर यू गेट योर बोर्डिंग passes, सिक्योरिटी चेक के बाद आपको बहुत लंबा वॉक करना पड़ता है to reach your gate. How are you feeling without sleeping?
Very tired. Very tired.
We didn't sleep in 2 days.
Lot of work. Very tired. I don't know.
And we're traveling again after 1 day.
Yes, 1 day, 1 night का sleep हुआ वापस से.
3 nights no sleep, and आज की रात तो हद ही हो गई. We just slept for half an hour, 30 minutes. And again after a day we have to travel again, so this was fun 4-day trip to Amsterdam. Make sure you watch vlog 1 and 2 also if you are planning a trip to Amsterdam, because those videos are going to help you a lot. It has day trip to Zanzibar, Zaandam, Githun village, and share it with your friends and family. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and yes, don't forget to subscribe the channel, because after 1 day I am traveling to US for a long 15 days trip, and वो बहुत ही exciting trip है. So I'm sure you guys don't want to miss that. For that, hit the subscribe button now, and don't forget to follow my Shadow Beats on Instagram for amazing pictures and videos. And thank you for watching this video. मिलते हैं नए vlog में. Bye.